Hey Brinkley family, Nate Goldenberg here. I just wanted to thank you for a wonderful 2025. We have so much to be thankful for, but more than anything, we're thankful for you, our customers, and the incredible company that you're helping us build.
Thank you for letting us be a part of your journey.
Thank you for letting us build your home.
Hey, thank you for letting us serve you.
Muchísimas gracias.
Por apoyar a nuestra familia.
Thank you for allowing us to build your RVs.
On behalf of the Parts Group, we thank you for a successful 2025 and look forward to helping you in 2026. Thank you.
From our family to yours, thank you for letting Brinkley Customer Care be a part of your ride in 2025.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you for being a part of the Brinkley family.
We appreciate you.
Every email, every phone call, every mile you travel, we're here for you.
Thank you for trusting us with your questions, your concern, and your peace of mind.
Thank you so much.
We just want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for you guys being our customers, and we look forward to continuing our commitment in 2026 and our support for you guys out there in the wild.
This good service isn't something extra.
It's what you deserve, year in and year out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you. We're proud to help however we can.
We'd love to help you.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting us serve you.
We appreciate each and every one of you. Happy holidays and cheers to 2026.
We love you guys, we care about you, and look forward to a great 26. Thank you.